Hey guys, Kaylee and Curtis with Hope Public Adjusters. We are here today in Fletcher, North Carolina, looking at some damage from Hurricane Helene. This house had a tree fall on it, as you can see up here. And then because of the hurricane, it was several days before they could get the tree removed from the house. So while the tree was still up here, the rain that was coming down was also just coming down into here. So you can see the cupping of the floor down here, just all the damage throughout this living area. I'll kind of move around here. And then into the kitchen here as well. So we are out here today getting our documentation. We got our Matterport scan. Curtis has the drone up now getting footage. So that is what we are out here doing today. If you guys have any questions or need any help with your claims, you can get us at hopepublicadjusters.com or 833-31-CLAIM. Thanks, guys.